Hey guys, I just want to show you my latest addition to my EDC. I was checking out at Walmart and saw this little guy and thought it would be cool or functional to add it to my EDC. Okay, so for $6, why not? Okay, it says it's a lighter, knife, corkscrew, and bottle opener. I don't smoke, but in the survival situation, they said that the ability to make fire is crucial. So let's open it up. Okay, let's take a closer look. I like the finish and the size. Okay, so let's open the top. This pops open and that's the lighter. That's a torch lighter. And this is what they call a knife. I don't know. It's sharp. Okay, cut small stuff like what, stripping wires in terms of emergency. Okay, bottle opener and the corkscrew. This piece right here, it would be better if they change it to a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, how often do you use a corkscrew? Okay, there you go. This is the Spark multi-tool lighter. Thanks for watching, guys.